Country Chevrolet, back at it again with another walk around. Today we're doing this 2018 Buick LaCrosse. This thing is in a beautiful gray. It has remote start. Trunk will pop open. You have plenty of trunk space. Has a panoramic sunroof. Swing around here and turn it on completely. You have electronic gear shift. You have heated seats. You do have phone projection for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Climate controls all right here. Backup camera. Over here you had a digital cluster. Again, this is at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky. My name is Corey Jernigan. I'm the internet manager. You can reach me at 270-703-8633. We also have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They will be linked down in the description, also with our website. Thanks for watching.